Spinal Bending Pose or Anantasana. The name for this posture comes from the Sanskrit Ananta, which was the name of a serpent in Hindu and yogic mythology, and asana, which means pose. According to legend, Ananta was a serpent with 1,000 heads, upon whom Lord Vishnu rested while he was in the primordial ocean. Because this posture is said to resemble his position atop the serpent, the English name for this asana is also called Sleeping Vishnu Pose. This pose improves balance and stretches the hamstrings, inner thighs and calves. Working on balance and core strength are important parts of any yoga practice. While yogis do a lot of standing balances and even unbalances, balance on site is pretty rare and offers a really different experience. Better balance will help you throughout your daily life in avoiding injury due to trips and falls. This posture can be challenging for beginners because of the balance required to stabilize the body on its side. The patience and focus required for this pose are beneficial to the mind and a disciplined spiritual practice. Anantasana helps to relieve mental stress, thereby easing fatigue and depression. Assume in supine position. Inhale, raise your right arm to the side of the head. Exhale, bend your left knee and step your left foot into the mat. Inhale, raise the hips and shift the hip to the left side. This will align the body into one line when the body turns to the side, and lower the hips down. Turn the body right side and place the left hand in front of the chest for support, with the left leg on top of the right leg. Raise the torso and head, bend the elbow, supporting them on the right elbow. Rest the head in the right palm. The forearm and upper arm should be nearly vertical. This is a starting position. Engage the abdominals and thrust the right side of the leg firmly onto the floor. Inhale, raise the left leg as high as possible. Slide the left hand to the foot and grab hold of the big toe with yogi toe lock. Ensure the whole body stays in a straight line without allowing it to curve or bend at the buttocks. Inhale, straighten your left leg toward the ceiling as much as possible without arching the lower back. Maintain your balance on your side without rolling by firmly rooting your thigh bone and upper arm into the ground for stability. Stay in this posture for a minute and breathe slowly. Beginners finding it hard to balance on a side bending. Keep the body straight and the bottom arm straight. Rest the head onto the upper arm. To release, reverse the order of movement and repeat the pose lying on your left side.